Hey everyone, Adam here from CallCast. I wanted to just give you an update on the latest feature we're just rolling out called voice messages. This is a quick video tutorial on how to set up voice messages in order to get more user or listener engagement. So these voice messages that you set up for your listeners to send you little sound bites that you can then use in your podcast. Super cool feature. Excited for you to check this out. So let me know what you guys think. I'm going to show you the voice message feature that we just added. Very cool feature for you to connect with your guests and have them send you voice messages. Voice messages can be used back in your other podcasts, so you can have clips of your audience and feature things they're telling you, things they're saying, which can be a great way to engage with your audience. You'll set up a title and some subtext. Just let the user kind of guide them, let them know what kind of voice messages you want them to send you. Maybe you have an upcoming episode. My podcast is all about fear. Next, let's check out your landing page. So this is where all your audio gets saved to. This is where your listeners can find your recordings and they'll be able to see the message that you just typed in and record a quick 60-second message and send it back to you. So I've just clicked into record, and you can let them record up to a minute-long audio that then you can use for your podcasts. So we'll let this record. Listeners are recording here, and I'll show you the desktop version of what it looks like if your listeners were on a desktop and they click to record. But as soon as it's finished recording, they'll save it and send it to you. The cool thing is they're also adding their email address, so you'll be able to reach back out to these people and let them know, hey, I got your audio. I'd actually like to also set up maybe a longer form interview. So it's just a great way to have more engagement with your audience. So now let's go back into the app here and check out. You'll notice that the CallCast app sent me a push notification right there, letting me know that the audio has been saved, and you'll see it toggled or changed to a number 1. So I'll click on that number 1 and it opens up, and here's the audio that they sent, and then I can see the user. I can tap the email just to send them a quick email, and I can also download the audio if I wanted to edit on my desktop. Here in my library, I have an interview with Kyle that I've just done, and if I wanted to add this voice message to the very end of my upcoming interview with Kyle, I'll hit add, and I've just added it right in, and now I'm going to shift it down the timeline by tapping it once. I'm going to scroll all the way to the end of my interview with Kyle and then just use this shift audio to playhead button, and then now you'll see if I scroll to the end of the interview with Kyle, you'll see that there it is. So that's how easy it is to get voice messages from your audience and add them to your upcoming podcasts. Great way to drive user engagement. I also wanted to show you what the voice message feature looks like on the desktop. Here you'll see that it shows up when you have it toggled to on. Your listeners will be able to click this voice record message button, and so here's all your podcasts that you've created, and right at the top, the message that you set up in the app. Your users just have to click on this record a voice message. It'll open this up and they can start recording a voice message and send it to you, and it'll show up right in the CallCast app that you can use it and add it to your other podcasts. Very cool.